Hey all, Will Healy here, and I've got another basics for you today. What I'm going to talk about is what is iolink, IO-link. And it's got four components: universal, smart, easy, and IIoT-ready, which is something I've added. But the first one is universal. It's an open standard IEC 61131-9, and it's like USB for industrial automation. It's not a network. It has a point-to-point interface to device kind of relationship. And there are over 300 vendors and 60 plus technologies from companies like Balluff and Turck and IFM and Festo and AB and Siemens and Mitsubishi and Beckhoff and Zimmer and Schmalz and SMC and SCHUNK and many, you get the idea. There are many vendors that you're working with every day offering this. Next, it's smart. You know, there are three types of data inside an iolink device. It has process data for operation, it has parameter data for setup, and it has event and diagnostic data for troubleshooting. You know, the diagnostics can tell you things like the condition status, like maybe the lens is dirty, or the angle of the sensor has changed, or maybe the light coming back on a diffuse, the intensity is lower, so something in my application changed. So diagnostics can tell us a lot. Third, easy. It uses a basic 3-wire standard sensor cable, and it has power, common, and the signal. And it uses cables like M12s and M8s like you use for regular sensors. You can set up and replace devices. So automatic parameterization is an option where we can send all of the settings of this device either for swapping devices in maintenance or for fast commissioning in machine building. So something to consider that makes it easy. And then IIoT ready, these smart devices help build a foundation of data for your future IIoT projects, for your smart factory projects. And we can talk to this device through things like JSON, TCP/IP, REST APIs, and those kinds of common protocols are available in a lot of the iolink network interfaces on the market. There's so much value to unpack here. I can't get to all of it today, but check the comments for some resources, and I really hope you have an amazing day today.